I just found a hole at the bottom of my soul. Played my fourth string day in and day out, became a banjo pop star all about 7 cars and diamond rings, friends and goods and all such things. I could not stand to be alone, but no heart in the crowd, just booze in the German crowd anymore when money ran out so far. I fell on my face, I fell through the space, I fell through the hole at the bottom of my soul. Shit hits a van, lost my name, well I killed a man. Found out mine had a heart full of beer. My bed for night, it was shame, it was fear. But then one morning a flickering light, and the rain from the right side valley hit my eyes, and I realized it must be a love and God or some stuff like that inside. I'm falling on my knees, Lord please, and it's misery, and he pulled me through the hole at the bottom of my soul. People listen carefully. A soul in holes, it's no tragedy. Shall it ever happen to your soul? Don't waste your time trying to fill the hole, cause if the hole is really deep enough, it will be a subway for your love and God. It will be a subway for His grace, and He'll pull you through. So fall down on your knees, my Lord, and your misery, and He will pull you through the hole at the bottom of your soul. Badam 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 of your soul. Badam badam badam, there is a hole. Badam badam badam, there is a hole. It's the bottom of your soul, but the Lord He will pull you through. The Lord He will pull you through.